Thank you for watching. This is Damaris Malo. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start with the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral to use it as a base. I'm going to diffuse it with this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, and then with a beauty blender. It's a beauty sponge by Real Techniques as well. I'm just going to blend it out even farther. Now I'm going in with the Carly Babel palette, and I'm gonna grab this orangey tone in the center. It's really beautiful and very pigmented. I'm gonna place it in the crease of my eye with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going in with this corrective palette by Sephora. These are concealers. I'm gonna grab the green color on the far right and apply it with a synthetic brush in the center of my lid, forming a semicircle. Take your time whenever you're working with concealers so that you achieve a better and asymmetrical shape, and you have to correct less. This is like doing a cut crease look, but without a white concealer. This is a color concealer. Now I'm going in with Purple Showers by MAC, and I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend where the green and the orangey color meet so that I have like a third shade in between these two colors, and also creates like an edge. Next, I'm grabbing Aphrodisiac by MAC. Is this minty green color, and I'm gonna place it on top of the concealer that I use to make sure it seals and it's set, and also increases the intensity of the color. So I really like it. It's beautiful. It's like this minty perfect color. Grabbing the Babel palette again, I'm gonna grab the orangey tone, and this time I'm gonna go higher up almost to my brow bone, just so that I can keep this gradient effect going and adding more layers as I go. Next, grabbing this foil eyeshadow by MAC, Ready to Party. It's like a lilac metallic finish, and I'm gonna use that as a highlight on my brow bone as well as the inner corner of my eye. Next, going in with an oldie but a goodie MAC Studio Fix foundation in NW25. It's on the matte side, so I really like this foundation right now because it's pretty hot over here and my skin is been very oily. So this one is gonna mattify any oils that are in there. I'm gonna use this flat foundation brush by Real Techniques, and then I'm gonna diffuse it with a stippling brush by MAC with a dual fiber brush, so it gives me that airbrush effect. Next, I'm using a little bit of Fix Plus on the stippling brush, just so that the foundation moves around and it's easier to maneuver. This is a very good trick that makeup artists do so that the skin looks very natural. Moving on to contouring, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm gonna grab Cappuccino and Cinnamon on the far corner and place it on the hollows of my cheeks and my jawline and my forehead. And I'm gonna use the Urban Decay foundation brush to move it around. Next, grabbing the Mineralized Concealer by MAC and NC30. I'm gonna correct my dark circles, and then I'm gonna brighten up with the Naked Concealer in light neutral. In here, I'm drawing some inverted triangles to brighten up my face and the center of my face. So with the concealer, it's a Diamond Head by Real Techniques. I'm just diffusing this concealer, and as you can tell, it's really good for that. And also I'm dragging it all the way to the temple so that we have that elevated and lifted effect. Today I'm gonna be a little extra, and I'm gonna mix these three setting powders: Laura Mercier, Ben Nye, and Chateau London. Honestly, if I would choose one, it'll be Chateau London. I don't know why, but I love the smell of coconuts. And when I run out of this one, I'm gonna buy another one because I mainly use it for the smell. I really, really love the smell of coconut. So here we go. I am placing it with a flat, short handle brush. And this one is angular, so I can create the same inverted triangles that I was doing before. So following the same pattern, and I'm dragging it all the way to my temple and also the sides of my nostrils because I get oily in the area. So anywhere you need to bake and you have excess oil, bake in that area, and it's gonna your makeup is gonna last for a long time. This is very good for weddings or any other special event makeup. Next, I'm just gonna bronze my face and set the contour with this NARS Laguna bronzing powder and this angular brush by MAC. While I'm baking, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This one is by Inglot and color 11, which is just black. And I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This is where the fun begins because it's a double wing eyeliner, 60's inspired. And you have to be really steady, almost hold your breath as much as you can so you don't breathe and you don't blink, because I already did my eyeshadows and I don't want to mess them up. So I'm gonna go very slow and control with the eyeliner. Now I'm going in with this liquid L'Oreal eyeliner, and I'm gonna create the second eyeliner. So wish me luck and hope that they both come out as even as possible. So I'm gonna hold my breath here and hope for the best. In this step, it's important to allow the eyeliner to dry so that you don't look forward and then the eyeliner smudges. So make sure that you have a fan or maybe a little bit of something to blow on your eyes. Always check that the curves are kind of similar and also that they end at the right height on both eyes. You can choose to close it all the way to your inner corner, or like me, I'm just gonna leave it open because I want to put like a highlight in my inner corner. Next, I'm just blowing with a magazine. I think I need to invest in a fan if I'm gonna be doing this type of tutorials. So I'm gonna wait here for a few minutes until my eyeliner dries. And next, I'm gonna remove my setting powder. Next, grabbing Azalea in the Afternoon by MAC is this pink blush with shimmer. I'm gonna put it in the apples of my cheeks to add more ethereal glow to this 60s look. Next, grabbing this highlight by NARS, I'm gonna go in and place it on top of this Azalea in the Afternoon color. I'm gonna first spray Fix Plus on my face and then apply this color on top just so that it kind of sticks to my skin, and then use the other eyeshadow Ready to Party in the inner corners of my eye to tie the look together. Going back to the Aphrodisiac color, and I'm gonna place it in my water lash line so I have this smoky effect. And look up, and with a pencil brush I'm just gonna apply it to the bottom of my lashes. In here I'm just lining my lips with Absolutely It by MAC. It's this mauvey brown color. I'm just gonna contour my lips, and then I'm gonna use Rose Lily, a lipstick by MAC, which is a pale pink. Now I'm gonna quickly prepare my lashes, and I'm gonna top my lips with this Pink Parfait by Lady Bird, which are very nice and opaque, light pink color. Now I'm gonna do my lashes with Sephora mascara on my bottom lashes. I already applied my falsies. These are Elegant Lashes in number 110, and I really like this mascara for my bottom lashes. It's like a very small wand, and I can get pretty close to my eye, and it separates the lashes very well. I'm gonna do my hair 60s inspired. I'm gonna do like a half headband. I'm gonna grab these two pieces behind my ears and tie them on in my back, and then I'm gonna tease the crown very big like a 60s look. And that's it, I'm done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this type of videos, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or heart. I appreciate all of your support, and then I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.